Hi guys, we're back on my mom's channel and today we're going to be making cupcakes. Today here is the littlest daughter, Zoey Garcia. I am 8 years old and this is the first video I've been in. So this is going to be fun. So let's get started on making some cupcakes. So the first thing it says to do is get a mixer, eggs, and milk. So I have our mixer and some fresh eggs. And instead of regular milk, we're going to be using chocolate milk. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take our bowl and the mixer and crack some eggs. Okay, so it says to add 2 eggs, and that's what we did. Now it says to add 2 cups of milk. So we have a measuring little cup here, and we're gonna measure it. 1 cup going in, 2nd cup, 2nd cup going in. Okay, now it's time to mix it. Or should I say agitate? Okay, let's start mixing it. It says to mix it for 20 minutes. I wonder why it showed it the other day on the TV.
I don't know. Oh. Because when we watched the video, the pictures were showing.
Hey, it's been 10 minutes. Time to wait another 10 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to roll out our dough. Here we have our dough. Look at it. Okay, let's be rolling it up into a ball.
You probably have to sign up with your phone, right? So it's
And we have these cute little miniature molds. Oh, and this is a little toy set, so if you want to buy it, and you can buy it at Walmart. And then if you want more videos like these, comment down below in the comments. There are ice cream sets, pizza sets, and all other stuff. So let's get back to making cupcakes. Let's roll it up. Okay, we're done rolling it up into a ball. Now we need a rolling pin. We're rolling it up. And then we gotta make a little tiny ball. First, I'm going to take this much dough, like half a cup or something like that, and then put a rolling little dough in our mold. See? Looks like it needs a little more stuffing, so let's do that. our cooked cupcakes. So now we're gonna take them out of the molds. So I put my molds in here and push. Okay, let's bake them again. Okay, so while we're waiting on my mini oven, if you were me and your dad was a working businessman, would you miss him? Or would you want to visit him? Comment down below. So in each video that I am in, I'm gonna try to ask you guys some questions. And if you answer them in every video, we might say something to one of you subscribers if you subscribe. Okay, I think we're done, guys. They smell so good. Don't they smell good? Yeah. So we're gonna let these cool over here on this little cute little mat. Oh, that's not a mat. I gotta go grab it. I'll be back. It says peace in cursive. Let's put it on. Oh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. It's super hot. Let's put that right there. Now let's be making frosting. Oh my gosh. So let me clean off my space. So to make frosting, it says here we just need some milk and coloring. And it says that we have to put 6 cups, people. 6 cups. So let's do that. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna add coloring. So these are my colors. Guys, I bet you're saying, those aren't colors, but guys, they are secret colors. They might look like a candle, but they are secret colors. So the color we're gonna do of the frosting is going to be pink. So let's pour it in. Okay, now let's mix it. So, or if you are homeschooled and if you go to real school, comment down below and tell me how your school day went after every day of school. I'm homeschooled, but we're off of school till September, I think. That's what my mom says, but I'm not really sure.
I've learned through all the way up on it. No one can hold it back. Relationships are just too difficult.
Look, guys, it's almost done. Here, I'll pause it to show y'all.
But it's worth it to get for life.
Look at it.
And sometimes you have to get that
Keep
thing
mixing it.
with your own face.
Oh, and I want you to comment down below, what is your favorite movie? And your favorite game? And what video games you like to play? Oh my gosh, guys. Before we do this, we need to clean up. So let's do that. Okay, we're done cleaning up. Let's get back to mixing. Hey, one more minute, guys.
It took me 48 minutes and a lot of kids, but I almost used the
Hey,
computer.
it's been a minute. flags done for frosting. First let me try
This
some.
obstinate man could change his program. We decided we could change ours. We
Let's
make our
let me
own
try
doors
that.
now. Ooh, now we're scary.
Oh, that's good. Okay, so I have this. What kind of movies do you like?
How is everyone going to see your face?
I don't know how we're gonna make 4 frostings because we're gonna have a lot of I'm getting super bored. Oh my gosh, this is called The Mitchells versus Robots. I can't get this frosting to come out, so I have to go. I hope you guys come back later, so bye.